I've got a mystery box from a self-care subscription box company. So if you want to see what's inside, then stay tuned. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracey. Bandit is on my lap. You can't really see him, but he's right here with me. And Chloe's just hanging out. I'm filming on September 17th. And Chloe and I spent the day with my mom at the Big E, which in Connecticut, well, it's in Massachusetts, but it's like a big fair, and there's rides and there's all kinds of food. And there's some agricultural things. They have like a barn with horses and pigs and stuff like that. And, you know, we just like to go, and each New England state has a building, so I like to go in all the state buildings and kind of check out what they have and eat some good food. We had some maple cotton candy, and the baked potato is always good in Maine. And we had some butter beer, which is non-alcoholic. It's really just cream soda with like a really thick whipped cream and some caramel sauce in it. And some Dill's frozen watermelon lemonade. Yum. So that was our big day. But today I have another mystery box. So I got a bunch of mystery boxes, and I'm going to film a mystery box Monday series. And I haven't gotten a chance to edit them, but I have. See, now you can hear Bandit playing with his toys. I have filmed a bunch of them, so this will be part of that. This is from 180 Degrees. Now, I don't regularly get this subscription box, but it's a very nice one. And I used to get it a long time ago, and then they stopped doing it and just kind of sat down, re-looked at their plan, figured out, you know, some plans to do it differently. And it was always a very nice box. So they had mystery boxes on sale, 40% off. I'm not 100% sure what I paid. I'm going to shut that fan off behind me. But I will try to look that up in my email and put that up there. I will say it's much bigger than the boxes that I got from Single Swag and Paradise Delivered. So I'm pretty happy about that. And it is stuffed full. So right on top, I see this really pretty spa headband, and it's a pink sort of, I don't know, leopard print, but super soft. And then you have a set of 3 beauty blenders, and they all have like a flat edge. You can see that. They have a flat edge there. Next, we have the UD Bath and Body Travel Set. So these are 3 little containers that you can put your products in when you travel. From Busy Co, we have a head to toe glow brightening lavender body wipe. This has collagen peptides and caffeine. Come here. To put the pep back in your step, it says. And it's got grapefruit seed extract, matricaria flower extract, aloe leaf, lavender, caffeine, eucalyptus. Next, by Little Moon, we have Shine On Sugar, and this is a sugar brightening exfoliant. I think it's for body, but I'm not sure. It smells really nice. We have by M.A. Soiree Nails. We have some, I'm not sure what that design is. I'm not really sure how that's supposed to look. By Selfless by Hiram is a mandelic acid and rice bran exfoliating serum. I love exfoliating serums. I think I've gotten this brand before in FabFitFun. All right, there, oops. I'm gonna throw it around. Is how it looks. By Earth Harbor, we have their Beach Waves. This is an ocean wave texturizer for your hair. And there is how she looks. By Steam Base, we have a Tea Tree Scalp Water Scaler. I've never heard of that before. It has tea tree extracts and a water-based formula which gently cleanses buildup that clogs pores, providing a non-irritating scalp. It has naturally extracted BHA that relieves dry, itchy scalp, cools and soothes the scalp with a natural menthol, and gentle cleansing with natural surfactants for relief of scalp. Okay. I'm always So I'm always happy to get something like this. These are great products. I don't know about this one specifically, but I do have some tea tree oils for scalp buildup. We have by To Go organic dehydrated banana, and they're these little clusters. And this company says that they are committed to the principles of organic production and direct fair trade. We promote social and environmental and economic development of small farmers. We're creating opportunities through sustainability, improving the quality of life in the Colombian countryside, which I think is really nice. This is best by September 2024, so I'm going to give this to the kid and she can have it in her lunch. Next, by Laboratories CLLC by GN, is some After Sun body lotion. This does have aloe in there, so it's going to be nice and soothing. Of course, it's the end of the summer, so hopefully if we don't open it up, it can be used next year. By Reveal, we have this cute little nail care set, and I think that's going to make a cute Christmas gift. By Chloe Emerald, we have a rose quartz gua sha, and I did have this and somebody knocked it down and it broke, but these are great for draining the lymph nodes. So you just want to kind of like go in a nice kind of V motion to drain them out, and they feel really good. Just a nice facial massage. By Vitamasks, we have an ultra peeling foot mask. I've used the Vitamasks brand. I do enjoy it, and I love a good foot peel. And then the last thing in here by Artmaker is a paint by numbers kit. So this is on a canvas stretched over wood, so you can display it. It's really pretty. I don't know, maybe the kid will like it. I don't tend to have a lot of time to do stuff like that. Looks fun, but I don't know that I feel about it today. All right, well, that is my 180-degree box. I think it was a really nice one. I think she put together a lot of great, useful items and a lot of name brands that I've heard from. A few I haven't. This I know I've heard of this before. I think I've gotten other stuff from that brand. But let me know your thoughts. Did you think this was a good one? What was your favorite product? Who knows? You could see it in a future giveaway. All right. Well, thank you so much for spending a little time with me. Please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell. It's totally free, but it means so much to us here, and it helps our channel grow. And hopefully, we'll see you soon.